Hey there, Team SERVPRO here, taking care of a fire job in Ewa Beach. Pretty bad fire. It's a 3-bedroom house. Fire started at a washing machine and just took over the house in just a matter of minutes. So I'm going to take you around the house and just, you can see what we do in a day at a fire job. Here we go. I can't get the camera to turn around, so hopefully this works.
See, this I already did it, but it's like...
There's our ladies taking some soot off the walls. Excuse me. This is what a fire looks like after the water's been sprayed in the house to put the fire out. The soot's really heavy on the walls and the ceiling. We use a 7-step process to take care of fire jobs. There's Ryan, cleaning up the mess after the mess. This room had the door closed so the fire didn't get into this room nearly as heavy. The soot didn't come in here, I should say. So soon enough, this house will be back to normal, ready for the family to come back home.